how to log into your PensionBee account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get your PensionBee from your App Store or Play Store. Simply install the application, and then after installing it, you can simply open it, right? So after doing that, you can simply tap on login in order to write in all of the credentials of your account. So simply write down your email address, then the password of your account. Then after writing down email address and password, all you need to do is tap on login, and like that, you will actually be able to log into your PensionBee account like that. So in case in here, unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the option forgotten your password. Right here, add in your email address, then tap on submit. You might actually get a 6-digit code or a link in order to simply reset the password of your account. Then after resetting your password, you can come back to your sign in page and then add in your new password, then tap on login in order to log into your account, right? So in here, if you need furthermore assistance, then what you can do is tap on this pop-up right here. Then from there, you can actually chat to the customer service of your PensionBee, so you can simply tell them what exactly is wrong, and they will help you out. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.